George looks a little bit unhappy with that lavash bread, but I'm sure he'll pull it off.
I hate being alone. I'm not coping without my team. I need all my chefs with me. I'm not used to this.
You doing all right, mate? You're doing okay? You got this. Just push on, mate. You got this. Come on. I believe in you, George.
Come on, George!
Today, Gary, Shannon and George have to cook a mystery box.
Come on, smooth out, stupid thing.
It's pretty funny watching them experience what we've gone through.
I just noticed this.
Yeah.
Is that standard
this?
equipment in the kitchen?
Where does that come from? That doesn't belong.
3 minutes in the chair.
No, give me
George!
6.
George has been sent to the naughty chair for some contraband cooking equipment. He's very naughty, that George.
Hurry up, I got bread to make.
Oh. How good's that? That's what it's about, Shannon.
Get some smoke and just going through.
Yeah. It smells amazing already.
This is a basil mousse.
Yeah.
And
So you're gonna wrap the mousse around the loin, wrap it in cling wrap.
My main concern is that pork. It's such a lean piece of meat and you just have to be so careful about the way that you cook it. You're on the right track, Shannon. Thank you.
thanks.
Praying to the roti gods.
Look, I think Gary needs a little bit of instruction on his roti bread. I'm a little bit concerned.
A bit out of practice. Yeah, it seems all right, but we will see. You know what? This has been a very confusing cook, and if I get anything up that's edible, I'll be very happy.
Oh, what do you reckon?
Ooh.
I'll put a bit of the hatch tea. And black pepper.
So do you think that roti could be a little bit flakier?
Yeah.
I think.
Have you got time to do that?
Yeah.
You're stretching another batch here?
Yeah.
Well, you got to push on.
See you soon.
Yeah, you just got to push, push, push.
Feeling the pressure? Welcome to our world. You've got 20 minutes to go.
George, you ready?
Yep.
10 seconds to go.
Please.
All right, count him down from 10 seconds. Done it?
10, 9,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, it's going to be all right. I'm really concerned about this bread. But yeah, we're going to get there. We always get there. Never give up.
George looks a little bit unhappy with that lavash bread, but I'm sure he'll pull it off.
I hate being alone. I'm not coping without my team. I need all my chefs with me. I'm not used to this.
You doing all right, mate? You're doing okay? You got this. Just push on, mate. You got this. Come on. I believe in you, George.
Come on, George!
10 minutes! 10 minutes to go!
What did you wrap it in, Shannon?
Just basil mousse and cling film.
Uh-huh.
Classic combination. Yeah, this is sort of an old recipe I've got. Let's hope it's not overcooked.
There's a lot of pressure going on down there. Cooking pork loin can be really hard. It's so lean, so it's quite difficult to cook perfectly.
It's over.
You've got another one there.
Oh, Dinah, it's the moment of truth. Are you happy with everything?
Look, no, not yet, no.
Oh, how's the tomato sauce going?
Good, I think. You can have a taste if you want. Oh, here we go.
Check the seasoning on that one.
Oh.
Shannon's taking a lot of time balancing that roasted tomato ketchup, and I think he's running out of time.
Well, you know this big thing up here.
I only know how to read digital properly. I'm sorry.
Guys, you've got 5 minutes. Keep moving. 5 minutes. Come on. 5 minutes. Go.
Oh, yeah, Lola. 5 minutes. Trying a couple of different ways with the roti. And I might even not call it roti, just in case I get criticised for the fact that it's not 100%. Might just call it crispy bread.
Listen up, boys. You got 3 minutes to go. Make it beautiful.
Pork loin is not my favourite. What I've done is, rather than taking the backstrap bit, I've got where it starts to connect to the belly, right? And from there, there's lots of flavour.
Oh, that sounds good.
You know what it is? A little salting for about half an hour. Lots of salt over the top. Leave it, wash it off, dry it well, and just get it in a hot oven, skin side down. And you'll get that glass effect. See, it's really glassy.
Guys, you need to fire up. You only have 90 seconds, George. Are you fired up?
Get it on the plate, Shannon. Taste everything. Taste, taste, taste. Seasoning, guys, seasoning, come on.
You know what? If it's ready, it's ready. If it's not, it's not. I'm plating up. I don't have a huge number of elements. But I'd love some charred greens or something that would just kind of lift this dish.
30 seconds!
I've got a little sweat on. Haven't moved around the kitchen like that in a long time. Normally I'm standing in my kitchen at the press club with lots of chefs and I just sort of stand there. So tonight when I'm back in there, I'm going to thank them.
10 seconds! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, the Wendy Inventory. Great work, guys.
That's beautiful, George.
Oh, that looks amazing.
But I've just looked at George's and Shannon's, and they look so beautiful. And mine's like that.
Oh, Bennett!
I'm not sure this dish is enough to save me. I tell you what, it's seriously stiff competition.
We'll see how we go. It's all fun.
Well, that was a battle royale, a mystery box filled by our final three, and three of the best chefs in the universe going head to head to head to put up one delicious dish and claim the title of Mystery Box Champion 2017. Gary, will you win again? George, Shannon, will you strip the belt from the title holder?
First dish we'd like to taste belongs to Shannon. Woo! Go, Shannon!
Come on, brother. Come on.
What have you cooked today?
It is smoked tomato soup with poached pork and basil mousse.
Oh, I think it looks beautiful. Yeah, I really like it.
I'll be brutally honest, pork is overcooked.
It's saved by the flavour of your tomato. That tomato is sensational.
It's incredible how you put so much flavour into it. It's absolutely beautiful.
And the little roasted tomatoes that you put in with it just pop in your mouth. It's gorgeous.
Thank you, Ben. Another $100 to you. Thank you. Thank you.
Give a great chef a box of gravel and they'll bring you a great dish, and that's what you've done, Shannon. Well done.
Thank you, Matt. Thank you very much. Thanks, buddy. Thanks.
George, you're up next. George, what have you made for us today?
Basil, tomatoes, pippy juice. The tomatoes done in a couple of different variations. Basil ice cream.
Oh, I think it looks so beautiful. So should I have the ice cream first?
A little bit of everything.
George, that is beautiful. I really taste lots of basil, tomatoes. The flavours are just popping. It's beautiful.
To have protein in a dish like that, and for it still to be that light, it's amazing, delicious.
This is like a really amazing salad, but on steroids.
You also referenced a previous great contestant, one of our personal favourites, who he played in the area of hot and cold, Callum Smith. Thank you, George.
Well done, George.
The final dish we'd like to taste, Gary. Gary, what have you made?
I actually didn't think of a title. In 10 words or less. Roti with pepper and tea pork. Mine's just dirty street food, memories of travelling through Asia, and just kind of putting every bit of flavour that I could drag out of those ingredients and stuff them in that bowl in a very unsophisticated way.
It's all about the taste.
Yep.
I'm thinking, guys? Let's do it.
Pretty and delicious or down and dirty.
It's just beautiful, honest food.
You have done, with a little bit of shrimp paste, some tea and some black pepper, what most people take 20 ingredients to do.
I don't know how you do it. It's you're the ultimate flavor elevator. There's so
You know, just before you go any further, on George's business card it says Dreamweaver. I want to be the flavour elevator.
We're so proud of you. So proud of you.
Thank you.
So proud.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know what? Those flowers represent a bouquet of the greatest flavour for the flavour elevator himself, the winner of the Mystery Box Challenge for 2017, Gary Mehigan!